So this is how to buy Dogecoin on Ndax. Once you guys open up Ndax, go to the bottom left and press on the trade icon. Once you're here under markets, you can go down and find Dogecoin. If it doesn't appear for you or you can't find it where it says markets, you can press on the magnifying glass icon, start typing in Dogecoin like that. Make sure that Doge is selected. Once Doge is selected, you can go to the bottom left and press buy. Then on this page right here, if the buy option is highlighted green, you're on the right page. If you're not, it'll say sell, press buy. Below that where it says market, you can choose your order type. For this example, I would just leave it at market. Then below that, you can choose the order size in regards to quantity, or you can also do this in regards to the dollar value. Once you have the amount selected, for me where it says buy Dogecoin, you can press that and proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Dogecoin on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.